Now we'll go over object-oriented programming. So object-oriented programming is one of many popular programming paradigms. It's probably the most popular. In ES5, syntax is the old means of doing it. We don't really use it so much. Classes begin with a capital letter, and we use the class keyword. And we have a constructor function whenever we create an object. This constructor function will create this new object, and this constructor acts like a way for us to create real-world entities. So if you think about the matrix, you know how they load up the whole entire simulation? That's the constructor for our objects here. We pass in the parameters, and then we create something. Instantiation is the process of creating this new object. So why do I care? We can use object-oriented programming to simulate real-world objects. What do I need? VS Code, Mozilla Developer Documentation, Free Code Camp. How do I do it? Take this example and add a new property to show the style of a car. So how do I do it? Here we have the model, right? It takes in a brand, mod, which is the model, and then it calls the super, which is the super constructor, which is the object that we're inheriting from, which is the car, and we're passing in the brand. So modify this to use this to add a style to the car. Give it a shot. Here's the solution. So we've added here's the solution. So we added the style to the constructor. So now the car has a style property associated with it. It is the style here. Now we have the model, which takes in brand, mod, and style, and the super constructor calls brand and style. And when we call show, it will show us the model, which contains the brand and the style here. Okay. What about? Why is object-oriented programming an important concept? Object-oriented programming is famous because it implements real-world entities like objects and hiding and inheritance and all these other wonderful concepts.